In this video, we're going to connect a working Shopify webshop, a fresh one, to Exact Online business software. Here we have our webshop, and here we have Exact Online. To connect those two, the webshop and administration, we use the platform ConnectPush. With ConnectPush, you're able to connect webshops to other platforms. We have Shopify here, in the back office of our fresh Shopify install, and here we have Exact Online. What we do, we make a bridge between the webshop by Shopify and Exact Online. We use therefore ConnectPush, the platform. You can make a free login here on register to try the connection for 14 days. I already have an account, so I can log in with that account. If you don't have one, make one with register. Username and password. Login. Here we see our ConnectPush dashboard with 0 subscriptions. A subscription is a connection between one piece of software and another piece of software. In this case, Shopify and Exact Online. We need to make a new subscription, which we can try for 14 days. And we search for the subscription we want to make. From Shopify to Exact Online, we can sync orders and invoices. That's what we want to do. So we click on Sign Up. Here we have to give the URL of our Shopify shop, the Shopify domain. Here we see it's demo.connectpush or demo-connectpush.myshopify.com. You can always find it here. We go to ConnectPush. Make sure we don't have the HTTP in front of it because it's already here. So demo-connectpush.myshopify.com. Next. In my Shopify shop, Shopify will ask me, do you allow Exact Online connection to connect with the ConnectPush platform? All right, we want to. From now, the ConnectPush platform has access to our Shopify shop to check if there are new orders or new customers. Then we need to connect our Exact Online environment. Here you choose the country where you have Exact Online. For me, it's the Netherlands. For you, it can be Belgium, Germany, UK, or the US. And here we log in with our Exact Online credentials. Next question for you will be, do you allow ConnectPush to interact with the Exact Online platform, which is necessary to make the connection between Shopify and Exact Online? For me, it won't ask that because I already did this before. Okay, it asks me to set up some information. So fill in your basic information here. Agree to the terms and conditions of ConnectPush. Next step. Where's my shop? In the Netherlands. Here is the question, to which company in Exact Online I want to connect my Shopify shop. For me, it's the demo store. Do the next step. What do I want to do? Do I want to sync invoices? Yes, I want to. Do I want to sync orders? No, I don't want to, because I want just to have my invoices in Exact Online on the right way. Here, when you have Exact Online wholesale, you need some extra options to set. For example, which warehouse do you want to use? Make sure you read what's standing here. It explains everything which is necessary to connect it on the right way. If we have shipping and we want to have it on the invoice, that which you want, we need to give a SKU for special shipping line. I always call it shipping SKU. And same for payment here. If you have payment costs, it asks for a payment cost SKU to put it on the invoice or the order. Doesn't matter as long as you fill in something here. Optional settings, read what's written above. You don't need to set these, it's just allowed. Next thing is VAT, the tax. As long as we're able to guess the right categories and make the right mapping, we can do it here, but always check these settings. For example, high inclusive, low exclusive, high exclusive, low inclusive, low exclusive is right here, VAT 0%, within, outside. Taxes and VAT is really depending on the country where you have your shop. Make sure you read what's standing here and make the mapping right, and otherwise always contact us if you need any help on this one. Finish the settings, and here we have the connected subscription, Shopify to Exact Online, which will make it able when a new order is placed in Shopify, it will be pushed to Exact, in this case as an invoice, because that's how we configured it. If you need to update your settings, go to settings and you can do the whole flow again and change settings which are necessary to change. Yeah, you can go through all the steps again and again. Always change these. We have an activity log, so when you have your first orders placed, you can see, hey, which ones were successful, which ones failed, which is a great tool to check if everything is in place. And then we have actions. For example, when you have some orders already in your shop, you can have a look here, sync panel. We can do the automated sync, which is configured already. When an order is complete, it will be synced to Exact Online. And we have the manual sync, which will show all your orders which are in Shopify, and one by one you can push them or push them again. You can scroll through all your orders and after that view the log to check if it's successful. If it's not, you can just retry. So this is a great tool when something is not right. It will always explain you what is not right. Probably it's the setting on Exact, probably it's the setting on Shopify. We will help you there as good as possible. On the dashboard, we see our subscriptions. Here we can disable or pause the subscription, which we won't do now. So what we've done is creating a connection between the Shopify shop and the Exact Online environment.